it's an open house, a dinner party, or a family celebration, our next guest is making her holiday recipes fun and easy peasy to go with any meal. And it looks like they're kid approved too.
That's right. On-air parenting and lifestyle expert Bethany Braun-Silva is sharing her secret ingredients to the perfect side dish for your next occasion. Dean told us we needed something green.
And you have delivered.
I try. I mean, this is one of the only vegetables they eat, so we
Really?
really lean in. We lean into the asparagus.
Who have you brought
Please
with
introduce
you?
these two back to the world.
This is Jake, my 8-year-old, and Elias, my 11-year-old.
Hello, boys.
They're happy to be back.
We're so happy that you're here. Would you file this among one of your favorite dishes to make at home, or where do we stand? Like, what is your family cooking when you're getting together for the holidays?
I mean, we're pretty traditional. My husband is Puerto Rican and Cuban, so we do have, we do a little arroz con pollo, stuff like that. But other than that, we do keep it very traditional. And like I said, as any mother knows, if a kid likes a vegetable, we go hard.
Keep going back to it. Just keep going back.
And they both love asparagus. In fact, Jake's been it's pretty mediocre there because
I like potatoes more.
Potatoes.
I like potatoes. Same.
For those of you keeping score at home, he would rather have a potato, but he will tolerate the asparagus.
Yes,
well, walk us through it.
All right,
fellas.
so we're doing a garlic parm asparagus.
Ooh.
So I'm going to do the first part, and the boys are going to take over because we don't. We're going to cut the ends off the asparagus, right?
Yes. Oh, she's going to just do that bulk.
Yep,
I
we're
love
cutting.
that.
Oh yeah, we're going into it.
She's not messing around.
No, she's
Nope,
not. Look how quick that was.
All right, we're just doing that. And then, Elias, will you please spray with some olive oil? It's actually minimal ingredients here.
Beautiful,
So you just need
even
some
better.
olive oil.
Oh, how
salt.
genius. Right on the cutting board.
Yeah, right on the cutting board.
Oh, wow.
And less mess.
Less mess.
One less.
Perfect.
Go a
Thank
little bit
you.
more, a little bit more. Get
all up in there.
I want to get that part.
Yes,
get
thank
that
you.
part.
You tell him.
All right, now good. Now Jake, you want to do a little salt. There you go. Eli, get the pepper ready. Good. No. Ooh. Nope. We're gonna do this.
I was gonna do that.
We're gonna go.
Yeah, Jake.
That's what he knew.
Yeah.
He's like, let me make this interesting for you.
Go ahead. Do a little pepper. So what do they say about kids and dogs?
Never put them on live television.
Right.
So
This is
cute.
great. This one looks like he's done a pepper grinder before.
Right here.
I
Okay.
love
Now we're
this,
gonna
Jake.
put. I don't know. Should we do trust him with the garlic?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead.
You can
go
be
ahead.
heavy-handed with this.
Go
I
ahead.
like garlic.
Go ahead.
What is this?
This is minced garlic. So I got the ready-made minced garlic that comes in the jar, but I did bring garlic cloves and the garlic press. It really depends on your taste. In this case, we're going hard with the garlic.
Listen.
Let's do it. We're gonna keep the
I
vampires
respect
away
the
this holiday
move.
season.
Right.
That's right.
And then I asked Jake earlier, do you know how to grate cheese? Jake, do you remember what you told me?
I only know how to eat cheese.
He only knows how to eat cheese. So
Here.
Well,
here.
same.
Here.
So we create a little cheese. We have some fresh parm. Am I doing it the right way?
Yes.
Yes. All right. I mean, I saw your the cheese guy earlier. The bread. Oh, that looks so
Tony
good.
J, yeah, he is.
we
He's
like
also known as a cheese man.
Yeah, there you go.
He's known as many things.
And this is so easy. So then this is how you garnish it. This is the already ready to go. You can bake it like this for 8 minutes at 400. If you want it a little bit crispy. Or for our purposes here, we're just gonna put it on
In a saute pan.
in a saute
I do
pan
love a
Call it a
saute.
day.
and call it a day.
Beautiful.
Now, fellas, what is this? This is your favorite green?
Yeah.
For real?
For real.
What else
For
do
real,
you
for real?
like that
Okay.
your mom cooks? Maybe
Yeah.
either around the holidays or just in general. What do you love that she makes?
She sometimes
Look over here. I want to see your handsome face. Look over here. What else? What does she make?
she would, I don't know.
Lasagna.
Yeah, I like
Oh,
it.
they lit up when they were reminded of lasagna.
We
Okay,
like
Bethany, next
lasagna,
time bring
yeah.
us some
I
lasagna.
will. It might be my pleasure. And then let it just cook up, get soft, crispy on the outside, and then look, this was from last night, but we're gonna put this
She's
one
gonna
on.
make it
Sure.
nice for us. Look at
Yeah.
this. And she's
Because
got the garlic,
this
the
is
whole
the
thing for the
presentation.
decoration.
Don't
And
be
you can even
ridiculous.
garnish with a lemon. Sometimes we'll put
Sure.
lemon on.
Yes.
A little acid to cut.
I have been known to do that.
All right. Well,
You can.
can we bring this over to the communal
Let's go,
table?
guys,
Boys, I
Carry.
think as a team effort, if you're very careful, you can carry this
By
over
all
to our
means.
table. Can you reach it?
Yes.
Can we do it?
I have faith in this whole system.
All right.
All right.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right.
Very slowly.
Good.
Follow us to our table.
Go. You got it.
Here we go. Beautiful.
After you.
And I'm going to have you fellas
big
slide it right up
brother.
here, boys.
Oh
up
my
here.
God.
Right here. Look,
This way.
show where Alex is going.
Right here.
There you go.
I see a spot with your name on it. Okay?
Excellent.
Perfect. Perfect. And then,
And then go
So beautiful.
all the
Come
way
on around
and
with
go
your
meet
mom.
Mommy at the table.
are you going to make
Grab
sure
one
it's
for the
good?
road? You
Make
wanna
sure it's
grab
not poison.
Grab one for the road.
Let's see what's
Yeah.
happening there. He's still standing. We're good. Listen, more of Bethany on her podcast, The Breakdown with Bethany, as you know.